How to disable comments on Instagram post. If you don't want anyone to comment on your Instagram post, then all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talk. So first thing first, open Instagram on your device. Now here on bottom right hand side you will find a profile icon, so tap on it. Now tap on this hamburger icon located on top right hand side of your screen, so tap on it. So here if you scroll down a bit, you'll find this option comments, so tap on it. And here on top of your screen you can see this option who can comment. So here post and reels, so here it is set to everyone. So if you want to set it to different options, so you will get different options here: everyone, people you follow, your followers, people you follow and your followers, or you can simply turn it off. So choose whatever option you want. So to stop people from commenting on your post, all you need to do is tap on this off option, and then once you go back it will set to off. So and no people will no longer be able to comment on your post. So this is how you can disable post comments. If you want to disable comments on specific post, then all you need to do is go back to your profile, find the post that you want, where you want to disable the comment, and here on top right hand side you'll find this option, and then simply tap on this turn off commenting. So once you do that, nobody will be able to comment on this specific post. So this is how you can stop people from commenting on your each and every individual post or just selected few posts. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow some more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.